My name is Neha Sharma and I would like to tell you about my experience, and that was my nightmare which I am going to share with you. And this is the nightmare I am going to share. And I saw myself sitting in the examination hall, and I was terrified because I didn't know anything in the exam, because exam was difficult. I saw myself in the sitting in the examination hall, and there was my maths exam. I don't have maths now, but at that time I have math. I had math subject because it was very difficult and I was unable to solve my problems. And that was most terrifying moment of my nightmare. And I saw myself. I am not able. I was not able to solve my any problems because that was very difficult for me. And this nightmare I told my mother. So she suggested me that you should not waste your time and you should practice before the examination come. So I devoted my time towards these examination, and I devote my time to this subject, and I prepared for this subject, and I didn't let this dream come true. That was my exam nightmare. That.
Good evening everyone, this side Shania Singh and I would like to tell you about my vacation in my past. Yes. Good evening everyone, this side Shania Singh and I would like to tell you about my vacation in my past. As we all know, breaks are considered as essential in our life. So me and my family went on a vacation at Kashmir on between 3 November and 10 November last year 2022. It was a very wonderful and memorable trip for me because the activities we did, my traveling experience, all was very great and nice. When we talk about a break, so vacations are considered as a main thing. So and between the days we are in Kashmir, there was my birthday, so we celebrated my birthday in Kashmir and it was a very memorable birthday for me and my relatives and friends and whoever, and we celebrated, and the temples and the places we see are very nice and it was snowing all over there. We went Sonmarg, Gulmarg and many places which were famous there. So that was my experience.
Hello everyone, my name is Khushi and I am here to tell my experience about my first board exams, how I felt and how I overcome my fear. And it was like my first day of exam and I was a bit anxious and nervous, but I just keep telling myself I can do it. And when I entered the examination center, there were so many students of different schools and many teachers of different schools, and I felt very nervous there. But when I entered the school, I just can't find my room number, but there was a teacher who helped me to find the room number, and teacher was very kind. And then I go to my classroom in the examination hall, and then after that teacher told us that how to fill our question answer sheet and how to write questions in exam and give us examination tips. And after that, when I looked at the paper, I was very happy because I just know all the questions and I think I can score good marks in that. And after that, when I came out from the examination center, my father asked me how was the exam. Then I told him that it was very good and I can score good marks. That's it.
Good evening everyone, I am Aditi Kaushik and today I would like to tell you about a notice moment that I had in my past. Once when I was in the first or the prep class, I was scared of, I was a kind of the person who never shared her seat with anyone. So I didn't let anyone to sit in my chair. So what I did, I had to go to the toilet at the same time. A boy came and he asked me to, he fighted me to sit on the same seat, and I was such a very noticed person. What I did was very excited. So actually I split my saliva on the chair. I said, now clean, and then I went to the toilet. So that was a naughtiest moment, and whenever my mom shared this with me today, I feel very happy. Whenever we came to know that we were like this in the past and where we are now, we see the difference. So that's what makes me laugh today.
That's it.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Shashi, and today I'm going to share, my experience, of joining CEC. In fact, this happened to me when I was in 11th class. I had I had my friend Mr. Sanjeev. He was somebody in the class who spoke really well, and I was quite impressed because I one day I just went to him and asked him that where have you learned this communication. So he told that there is an institute CEC, you must join it. And I think it was the best decision I ever taken in my life, because when I joined CEC I learned a lot of things. Initially, when I came here for the very first time, there were a lot of students, and they really helped me learning that. Particularly, sir, the way he teaches is amazing. In fact, because I strongly believe that whatever I am today, I think 70% contribution that has come from CEC. Usually I don't share this thing with others, but this is the truth. So I could remember that there was a batch of 15, in fact the same batch. I had a lot of good friends, and we enjoyed a lot. I would say that coming to CEC is something which has given a lot of things to me, and I've enjoyed a lot. Every time I come here I feel like I'm coming home. And I would say only one thing, that anything you want to do in your life, first thing you have to do is that whatever is taught here, you must understand, you must take it seriously, because this is the time, in fact, we can invest. And I believe that CEC is one of the best institute I have ever seen. I have been to many institute, I have been to this British Council also, but what I believe is that the method which is used here is amazing. And if you keep on coming here, I believe that within 6 to 7 months a lot can be done. If you are somebody who is really hard working, in fact the time can be reduced to a great extent. So if you have to improve your English, you must come to CEC, and I would thank CEC for everything that I have today. Thank you, sir.
Hi everyone, my name is Sagar Thakur, and now I'm going to share my first interview experience. So after qualifying my professional course, then I need to attend my campus interview. Actually in my course, so my institute has conducted campus placement for the students. So I need to attend that. The point is that I was very young in my class, so everyone was 24-year-old, 25-year-old, 26-year-old, and I was just 21-year-old. So everyone think that I'm not so mature, I can't handle the problems, I can't handle pressure and all, because in the corporate world there are a lot of pressure. You need to do a lot of work on a particular time slot. So that was the thing that everyone was judging me. So I know, and I also think about myself. So then I prepared for the interview. I gave a 3 companies interview, but somehow I was not so selected, because in the one company I was selected, but just because of they are saying that you are very young. So and you are not so mature yet, you can't handle the pressure here. So that's why I can't continue with you. So I felt totally bad for this, because just because of my age you are not considering me. So it is totally wrong. Then one day I got a call from another company that they were saying that yes, we want to interview you. So are you ready for this? Then I gave a 4 rounds of interview, and somehow I cleared all the rounds, and I was placed at the I think India's #1 company in the FMCG sector. So I think whatever is happening is around you. So it is all for the best. We don't need to feel bad for anything. Whenever you feel any problem, so it will teach you how to handle the problem. I think that you need to handle some positive way, so that yes, that's what I feel about myself.